everyone, welcome back. Today it's just me. Nate was not available to do this video, however I really wanted to get it done. Today's video is how or what to pack for a beach getaway. So let's get into it. Okay, so my mom retired at the end of this previous school year, so woohoo, go her for retiring. So she booked herself a 2-week beach vacation in the northern lower peninsula of Michigan. So me and Nate are going to go with her for just a long weekend for 3 days. So I wanted to show you what I was going to pack for that. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I have are 3 different shirts. So I have 2 cute ones. So this one, this flowered tank top, oops, that's the back, which I thought would be really cute. And then just a plain gray t-shirt as well. I thought, if I wanted to just lounge around or something, or, I just thought that would be nice. Next are shorts. So I just have 1 pair of jean shorts, which I can pretty much wear every day, which should be fine. And then just some black lounging shorts to wear. Again, if I just want to lounge around, that'd be good. So then I have 2 swimsuits. So the first one is this black one, which, Midnight wants to join for the video. Hi, baby. So this first one is black, and it just has the crisscrosses all down the back, which I thought are so cute. And then this is the second one that I have. So I got this one on Amazon, love it. And then it kind of like goes off the shoulder like that. So yeah, those are the 2 swimsuits I have. Then a swimsuit cover up. Looks like that. Again, I got this off of Amazon as well, and I love it. It's been great. Okay, and then let's see, what else do I have? I have some workout clothes right here because I don't know if we will, but we might work out. So I just brought 2 different workout outfits for that. And that's why I have my tennis shoes as well, in case we do decide to work out. I have 2 dresses. So if I want to dress up, or if we're going to go out to dinner or something. So I have this one, which is longer, but it also has like the slit in the front too. So it's a little bit easier to walk in, at least for me, because I'm super short. And then, I consider it a dress, but it's not actually a dress. It's a romper. So just this black one, and it ties on the side right here. So those are my kind of dressier outfits. I have my sandals that I love. I also have just a sweatshirt, just in case it gets cold. It shouldn't get cold, because it should be approximately, 80 degrees or something the whole time. So shouldn't need that, but bringing it just in case. Let's see, I have 2 books that I'm going to bring, although actually I probably will only bring 1. I'm currently reading this one, which is Falling Awake by John Kabat-Zinn, but by the time we go, which is the first weekend in August, I'll probably be done with that one already. So then the next book I'm going to read is The Power of Now, which is by Eckhart Tolle. So I'll bring that so I can read on the beach. Some headphones if I want to listen to music. My toiletries are all in here. So, shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, my contacts, my medications that I need, a hairbrush, sunscreen. This is very important for me because I have incredibly pale skin, so I have to have sunscreen. This is my absolute favorite. I love this sunscreen. It's the Copper Tone Sport, the 30. I don't actually like to do over 30 because it's more expensive, but it really doesn't make a difference at all. So the 30 is perfect. Okay, so then next I have a towel. Obviously, if you're going to the beach, you need a towel. So I just have this one. And then lastly is my beach bag. So this would be the bag that I would take everything with me to the beach in. the house that my mom is renting is right on Lake Michigan. So I'm not even 100% sure if I'll use the bag, because since it's right on Lake Michigan, I don't know how much I'm actually gonna need to bring down with me. I don't know, so I'm bringing it just in case. But yeah, so that's everything I have. So now we're going to pack it into my suitcase. So it should all fit. I've packed way more all in here. But yeah, we're gonna pack it. So I love using packing cubes. These are the ones I have, a couple different sizes. And I got these off of Amazon as well. I'll link the stuff I got from Amazon down below if I can still find it, because some of them I've had for, so sorry about that. The camera turned off and I have no idea why, because the battery's not dead. So yeah, but so like I said, like I was saying, I'll link the stuff that I got from Amazon below if I can find it, because some of the stuff I've had for, oh my goodness, I don't know what is up with my camera, it keeps turning off. Okay, so let's hurry and try and pack everything. Okay, so there you have it. That is everything I'm going to be packing for our beach getaway. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below if I forgot anything, if you would pack anything different. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can be notified